This the season to detox your liver. Here we have a bitter melon. And, well, yeah, 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 I'm correct. A bitter melon. And it looked like a cucumber, but it's not. I'm going to do a detox with dandelion leaves. And I'm here showing you a small kiwi. Uh, Here is a green apple and some organic ginger. So, yeah, and some lime. Okay, guys, so you definitely want to do this before the holidays hit. Okay, so we are coming into November, so you know Thanksgiving is going to be coming. So, this is really the time you should be doing some form of a fasting, some cleanse, for you can help support your liver for all the amazing food we like to eat. All right. So you see in this bitter melon, the seeds are huge. So what you do, you are going to get a spoon and just scoop all of that out completely. So in this video, I'm not going to show you the complete process of this juicing, but I will tell you that it's going to be very bitter. But on the on a brighter side, it's also going to support your liver health.